Have you ever noticed how life has this fascinating way of coming full circle? I've been thinking about this a lot lately, and it's kind of amazing how the universe works in these perfect little cycles. Let me tell you a story that happened to me last summer. I was cleaning out my grandmother's attic when I found an old dusty journal from when I was just 10 years old. In those pages, written in messy handwriting, was my childhood dream of becoming a storyteller. I had completely forgotten about that dream, having spent the last 15 years working in finance. But here's where it gets interesting. That very same week, my company was going through restructuring, and I was offered a position in their communications department. At first, I was hesitant, but then I remembered that journal. It felt like life was giving me a gentle nudge, bringing me back to what I had always wanted to do. You see, these full circle moments happen to all of us. Maybe you'll bump into an old friend at a coffee shop in a different city, or find yourself living in the same neighborhood you once swore you'd never return to. Sometimes that job you didn't get leads you to something even better. Or that relationship that ended opens the door to meeting someone who truly understands you. Life has this beautiful way of bringing things back around, but often in ways we least expect. It's like throwing a boomerang. It might take a completely different path than what you anticipated, but it always comes back, usually carrying something valuable with it.
And you know what's really fascinating?
These full circle moments often happen when we're not even looking for them. They're like little cosmic winks reminding us that everything is connected, that our past and present are in constant conversation with each other. So next time you're feeling lost or wondering if you're on the right path, remember this. Life has a way of bringing you exactly where you need to be. Those dreams you had, those paths you didn't take, those seemingly random choices, they're all part of a bigger picture that sometimes takes years to come into focus. Trust the journey, even when it seems like you're going in circles, because sometimes those circles are actually spirals, taking you higher and bringing you closer to where you're meant to be.